One sunny afternoon, Mom brought out a for Hamdaan and Rania 10 long wooden rods. Each rod was painted in bright red and blue stripes. "These are number rods," Mom said with a smile. "They will help us learn to count." Hamdaan and Rania's eyes grew wide as Mum laid the rods on the mat, from the shortest to the longest. "Look," Mum pointed. "This rod is 1. It's small. This rod is 2. It's bigger. And this rod is 3, bigger still. Each number is more than the one before it. 2 is more than 1. 3 is more than 2. Hamdaan nodded, remembering how he had worked with the long rods before. "Let's build a stair together," Mom suggested. She showed them how to place each rod. Slowly, the rods lined up like beautiful steps. Now Mom began the 3-period lesson. She picked up the first rod. "This is 1, she said, running her finger along it. Then she held the second. "This is 2. Finally, she held the third. "This is 3. In the second period, Mum placed the rods in front of Rania. "Can you find one?" Rania proudly picked up the smallest rod. "Good. Now, can you show me 2? Hamdaan quickly grabbed the rod with 2 stripes. For the third period, Mum held up a rod and asked, "Which rod is this?" Hamdaan thought for a moment, touched the rod, and said, 3. "Excellent," said Mom, giving him a hug. Together they laughed and continued building the number stair, step by step, learning that numbers go in a beautiful sequence 1 to 10,